So today I'm doing my own DIY gym jeans. I first seen these jeans like on higher end companies and they were way more than what I'm willing to pay. I got these jeans at a retail store which were under $10. So I got my variety of gyms at Hobby Lobby. And then I also picked up this jeweled glue just to kind of see how it worked. I have never used this before, so I really didn't know where to start with this. So I just kind of laid them out just to kind of see what types of shapes that were in there. And I took a liking to the heart, so I started there and I just kind of, moved them around, and then it kind of gave me like a something to start with. So I just kind of picked the ones out that I liked and just start placing them randomly, but I did it even on each side so I can make sure that both sides look even. So once I started placing my gems down, things just started to flow together and they started to look even, and I was really liking the process. So once I had all my gems placed down, I let it dry for 24 hours, and then this is how it looks. They are easy to put on and I really love the results. So here's what it looked like, you guys, and yeah, I love them.